जब से विनी इस घर में आई कमाल कमाल कमाल। विनी से मेघ मिला, मेघ से आशना मिली, क्या बात है, मौज ही मौज, मौज ही मौज, मौज ही। शुक्र प्रभु शुक्र, पता शुक्र शुक्र शुक्र।
हेलो
हेलो
मेरी प्यारी तीरन, आज के दिन आपने दुनिया में जन्म लिया और हमें माता पिता का दर्जा दिया। माँ इस दुनिया का सबसे ऊंचा और बड़ा और महान दर्जा है, जिसके बिना हर औरत अधूरी है। आपने आज के दिन उसे हमें पूरा किया।
हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू।
God bless you.
वेरी वेरी हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू।
Love you so much.
लव
Thank
यू
you.
लिटिल डॉग।
Thank you.
बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए, तुम जियो हजारों साल, ये मेरी है आरज़ू। हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे लिटिल एंजल, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू।
बर्थडे टू यू विनी। कुछ बोलो। Thank you, I love you. Happy birthday to you.
Hello. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Come on, ready? Let's sing. Let's sing. Ready?
Alright.
Happy
birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear
Anita.
Renita. Happy birthday to you. We hope you have a wonderful day.
We hope you have a wonderful day. Absolutely.
birthday.
Aw. Happy birthday.
Hanji.
Happy birthday, Bua.
Happy birthday, Vinny.
Enjoy the last one.
God bless you.
Hey Bua, wish you a very very happy birthday. Hope you're having a great day. Stay blessed, take care, enjoy to the fullest. Bye bye, take care.
Hi. This message is for a very wonderful person, a beautiful soul, a caring sister, a good friend of mine from the last 30 years. Happy birthday, Vinny. Lot of good wishes from all of us. Eat lot of cake. Enjoy your day. Bye-bye.
हैप्पी बर्थडे भाभी जी, गॉड ब्लेस यू। भगवान करे आपकी उम्र बहुत लंबी हो और आप इसी तरह से हमेशा हमें ऐसे ही प्यार करते रहें जैसे आप करते हो। यू आर द बेस्ट भाभी, लव यू।
Happy birthday, Vinny. I'm really very blessed to have you in our family. Especially मासी के बाद आपने इस रिश्ते को इतने प्यार से, इतने लविंगली कंटिन्यू किया है कि कभी भी उनकी कमी नहीं महसूस होने की। God bless you. Love you. Happy birthday once again.
Happy birthday, fitness freak mommy. Although you don't look like a mommy, you look like a sister. And the best memories that we share with you are that you never forget to wish us on Daughter's Day. There's never been a single Daughter's Day where Vinny mommy has forgotten to wish us. It makes us feel so loved and so special that we really can't express it in words. Thank you, mommy. And we love you, mommy.
Wish you a very happy birthday, Vinny D. Stay blessed and enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, beautiful. May you have a wonderful day and a great year ahead. Lots of love. Miss you so much.
हेलो विनी जी, राम राम जी। आप
आपको जन्मदिन की बहुत बहुत मुबारक हो, सदा खुश रहो।
Many happy returns of the day, Bhabhi. Happy birthday. God bless you.
Happy birthday, mommy. God bless you.
Hello, mommy. Happy birthday. Wish you a very happy birthday. Stay happy, stay blessed, and stay young forever. Love you so much. Mwah.
Happy birthday to you. Jimmy ji, happy birthday to you. पार्टी कल तैयार रखना, कल मिलेंगे। थैंक यू।
हैप्पी बर्थडे विनी, गॉड ब्लेस यू माय डियर, हमेशा खुश रहो।
Happy birthday, mommy. God bless you. Happy birthday, mommy. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Vinny Didi. Stay the same fun, energetic person that you are. A very happy birthday. Enjoy your day.
Hi there, Mrs. Ahuja. So great to get to wish you a happy birthday. Ashna reached out and asked if I would, and of course I would because you were so kind and gave us so much kindness when we were in India. So I just want to say happy birthday and thank you so much for everything as always. I hope you have a very special day.
Happy birthday, Maji. Eat an extra piece of cake for me.
Hello, Miss Ahuja. Today is your special day, and I would love to wish you a happy birthday. I really wish I could be here in person, but video is the best that I can do for now. I wish you the best in health, in wealth, and in overall well-being. I hope that you and your family keep pursuing your dreams and that everything you've ever wanted will come true. And so I wish you a happy birthday, and I hope today is an amazing day that you'll always remember. Have a good one.
Happy birthday, Vinny Charlie.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Vinny. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Bhabhi. May God bless you always. Have a great day. Enjoy.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Tani. Happy birthday to you. Congratulations.
A very happy birthday to one of my favorites. And Vinny, you know it very well that I really adore you, and I wish a very happy, healthy and fit birthday for you. You are such a motivator, and God bless you. Stay happy. We love you very much.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Vanita. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Vanita. May God bless you always with lots of happiness. Have an amazing day and amazing year ahead. I'm so blessed. I'm so happy to have you as a friend. You're so honest and so loving. Thank you so much for being in my life. Thank you so much, Vanita.
Hi Dee, many returns of the day.
Wish you very happy birthday.
आप जियो हजारों साल
और साल के दिन हो
10,000 और कोरोना टाइम में आपको बहुत सारी बेस्ट विशेस फ्रॉम सोनाब्रा ते सेक्सी भाभी चलो बाय टेक केयर लव यू बाय
Happy birthday, dear mom. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you, dear mom. Congratulations. Many happy returns of the day.
हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू भाभी जी, बहुत मुबारक बर्थडे की, बहुत मुबारक।
हैप्पी बर्थडे भाभी जी, मैनी कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस। परमात्मा करे आप हमेशा यूं ही हंसते रहें, मुस्कुराते रहें और जीवन में आपको खुशियाँ ही खुशियाँ मिले। वी ऑल लव यू अ लॉट। स्टार्ट।
बारी दिन ये आए, बारी दिल ये गाए, तुम जियो हजारों साल, मेरी है आरज़ू। हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू।
Wishing you a very happy birthday, Bhabhi Ma. Love you.
Start.
Happy, happy, happy birthday. Happy, happy, happy birthday. Come along and sing the song of cherry on the cake. Happy, happy, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Bee-Mom. Happy birthday, Bee-Mom.
Happy birthday to you, Bhabhi. Many happy returns of the day. I can't explain in words that how much I adore your style, your intelligence and your elegance. I love you and will do till my lifetime. Seriously, you are the most dynamic personality I have ever met, and I love you, and Vanya also loves you. Happy birthday to you. Stay blessed. Lots of love, lots of blessings.
Hi Winnie, happy birthday. Today is indeed a very special day, and it's all about you being a wonderful person inside and out, definitely, and you have given so much to the people around you, and that's what makes you special in everyone's life, and I'm blessed to be the part of your world. Indeed, I just want to convey one thing. I believe in angels, and so in you. And one thing more I would like to add, the way you enjoy the life, I love it. And keep on being the glamorous fashionista that you are. Love you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Vinny. Happy birthday to you.
Very happy returns of the day, Winnie. Miss you so much. Have an amazing time celebrating. Love you. See you soon.
Bye. Happy birthday.
हेलो विन्नी दीदी, जन्मदिन की बहुत बहुत बधाई हो. हैप्पी बर्थडे. होप आप बहुत खूब मजे कर रहे होगे जैसे हमेशा करते हो. आपकी तैयारियां तो हमने देख ली हैं. आप पार्लर वालर में अपना नेल पेंट सब करा के आ गए हो, तो चल रहा है. ऐसे ही फिट रहो, तंदुरुस्त रहो, और थोड़ा थोड़ा हमको भी इंस्पायर करते रहो, थोड़ा थोड़ा उस लाइन पे जाने के लिए. और आपको देख के कोई नहीं कह सकता कि आप बढ़ रहे हो. ऐसे लग रहा है कि आप छोटे हो रहे हो, कम हो रहे हो, आपकी एज कम हो रही है. सो हैप्पी बर्थडे वंस अगेन.
ऑलराइट बच्चे लोग, हैप्पी बर्थडे सॉन्ग करेंगे. 1 2 3 स्टार्ट. हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू.
हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू. हैप्पी बर्थडे डियर दीदी.
मासी दीदी.
हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू.
बाय.
बाय बाय.
ये चांद सा रोशन चेहरा, जुल्फों का रंग सुनहरा, तिल सी नीली आंखें, कोई राज है इनमें गहरा. तारीफ करूं क्या उसकी जिसने तुम्हें बनाया. Fittest friend, Winnie. Yay!
Everyone, happy birthday Didi. May God bless you. Stay beautiful always. Stay healthy. आज के दिन मैं आपके लिए एक छोटी सी शायरी बोलना चाहती हूँ. फूलों ने अमृत का जाम भेजा है, फूलों ने अमृत का जाम भेजा है, तारों ने गगन से ये सलाम भेजा है, तारों ने गगन से ये सलाम भेजा है. खुशियों भरी हो जिंदगी आपकी, खुशियों भरी हो जिंदगी आपकी, कहे दिल से हमने ये पैगाम भेजा है. आप जियो हजारों साल. I also want to say that I am really blessed to have a sister-in-law like you. You are always a sister, elder sister to me. Stay beautiful and stay healthy always.
Hello everyone, happy birthday Bua. You are the most beautiful and lovely Bua in this world. Stay healthy. May God bless you always. Love you Bua.
Happy birthday Mama. I love you so much. थैंक यू मेरे लिए हमेशा साथ रहने के लिए और हमेशा मेरे में विश्वास करने के लिए, तब भी जब कोई नहीं करता था. आई लव यू सो मच. हैप्पी बर्थडे वंस अगेन. और आई होप कि आपको ये सब अच्छा लगा हो और आपका डे आज का मेमोरेबल रहे. आई लव यू.